Hi guys, it's Alice. Welcome back to my Junk Journal with Me video. Today it's gonna be a cherry blossom journaling because it's spring and it's cherry blossom season, and this reminds me the time I was in Korea and Japan last year in spring. So I pulled out some souvenirs from that time and some pink and sky blue things. This is my colored paper file, and I'm covering the whole right page with a light pink paper. This cherry blossom flower shaped thing is a Starbucks membership card that I was using in Korea, and the same theme cup holder is from Korea too. And the postcard is one of the palaces in Seoul. I'm fussy cutting the package of washi tape with Kokuyo scissors. I bought them in Japan because my sister recommended, and it turned out they are the best scissors to fussy cut for me. I really love them. I'm creating borders with the washi tapes that came with the package I just fussy cut. And this washi tape sample is from Christine from London Gifties. And I'm creating a border on the upside too. I'm trimming the postcard so it can fit in the cup holder, and applying some glue on a little piece of lace ribbon to make a tab. This is the cutout part from the postcard, and there was a little word says palace, so I decided to attach it on the corner of the envelope. And I'm punching a hole so the membership card can be hung in there and dangle like a tag. This is a library card, and I'm cutting out only the title and the date from a movie ticket so I can glue them on the card. And this is a little memo I got, and I wanted to keep it in my journal, so I backed it with color paper. Now I'm decorating the backside of the postcard with roll sticker from Bande. I'm trying to make a scene of a cherry blossom flower with some fluttering petals in the wind. I stopped here adding things to the page and started to write. This is how it's done. I really love how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for future videos like this. If you have any question, leave it in the comment down below, and I link my other journaling process videos here in case you're interested. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great week!